Hello friends, I am Jayashree. Welcome to Purva Swad. Today I am going to make a unique South Indian dish which is called Ammini Kodakattai or small rice balls, or in Hindi we can say it as rice golis. I am going to make two types of rice bowls today. One is salt and one is sweet. First we will see the ingredients for salt rice balls. So for this I have taken 1 cup of raw rice, 1 cup of boiled rice, some coconut grated, salt, green chili paste and hing. So I have made a paste of that soaked rice like this in my mixie. I have made it into a very nice paste. Now I have taken out about half a glass of paste from this because I am making a sweet balls also. This I will make into salt balls. For that I have kept water, 1.5 glass water for boiling. I will add some required salt for that paste, this hing powder, this green chili paste, and I will be using today Purva coconut oil. So I will put some drops of this also into this water. The water has started boiling. I will put some grated coconut also into this, and now I will add this my ground paste into this. Now this will become thick, and keep the gas in sim and stir till it becomes a thick mass. No lumps will be there, don't worry about that. It will come out clean. It has come like one big bowl. We will shift it into this bowl and allow it to cool for 5 to 10 minutes. In the meantime, I will make my dough for the sweet balls also. Next I am going to make the dough for my sweet balls. For that the ingredients required are my paste, which I have already made out of this rice, good is around half cup for 1 cup of paste, some grated coconut and some ghee. See, now the water has started boiling. I am just putting ghee into this water. I have taken 1 cup of water for this half cup of paste which I had kept away in the beginning. Now I will put this grated coconut also into this and pour this paste into it. Now this is also becoming into a thick paste. Let it become thick. At this stage we can add this jaggery. Around 2 tablespoons of jaggery I have taken for half cup of my rice paste. Okay, this also I will add now, and add some more ghee and mix it well. See, there are no lumps. Don't worry about the lumps. After that also we can mash them and take away the lumps, but it will not happen, don't worry. Now my sweet balls dough is also ready. I shifted into a bowl. This also has to cool down. It can happen that there may be 1 or 2 lumps there, but when it is cool and we knead it nicely, that will go off. So you need not worry about that. Now I am putting these balls separately, salt and sweet balls separately, into the cooker for steaming. Let it steam for 10 to 15 minutes. Then it will cook really well. Then we have to do just the seasoning. Now see, my rice bowls are cooked very well. See the rubbery texture of it. The pota, it will roll like a ball. Okay, now it is fully cooked, and my sweet balls are also well cooked. See, it's going like a ball. That means it is very well cooked. This rubbery structure is required for a good taste. Now I will do the seasoning for the salt first and then for the sweet. For the salt, I'll be using my Purva coconut oil. You can use any cooking oil that you have at home. And for seasoning, I'm using mustard seeds, curry leaves and red chilies. Okay. Now you have to take 1 full teaspoon of mustard because lot of mustard is required for this seasoning. So I'll put this thing is hot oil. I'll put the mustard. Then I will put the red chilies. Here it is done. Now I'll put my curry leaves also. Okay. Now I will put the balls into this and first mix it well, and then I will shift it to a bowl. See now? Okay. Now this is a very simple seasoning. See, I will shift some of this into the serving bowl, and in the rest I will mix this dosha podi or gunpowder, which is known as in the north, the one which you use for dosha, this powder. This also you mix, then it will become very tangy, spicy, masaledar. That's it. I will season my sweet balls. For that I am putting this ghee into my kadai, and I will put this coconut pieces. Let it fry till it becomes brown. This gives a very good flavor. This is actually optional, but this ghee and this coconut will give a very good smell along with this sweet rice balls. So see, it's turning brown now. Okay, this is enough, I think. Yeah, because it will become more, because ghee is hot. So let me put these also into it and mix it well. Okay. Now my sweet rice balls are also ready. I spoke the whole video in English mainly because my North Indian friends also wanted this recipe. So for my North Indian friends mainly, I spoken the whole video in English. Since Dashara Navaratri is coming, we make all this for prasad, for offering to the goddess Durga. So our prasad is ready, and hope you liked it. Come, let's all have this prasad together.